Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can delete or clear your Chat GPT history. So go to Chat GPT and then on the top right corner you can see this three dot option. Tap on that option, go to history, and then from here if you want to delete your history, then you just have to swipe left the chat and you will see the delete option, and then if you tap delete, your history will be deleted. So if you want to clear all your history, you just have to simply swipe left your chats and then delete. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.